Hey there, it's Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In this video, all we're going to do is look at themes. We're doing this overview of Shopify, and within Shopify they give you a couple of free themes to start your store with, so that you don't need to spend any upfront cash to get your business started and off the ground. What Shopify goes for is a minimalist look. Let's have a look at some of their themes. This one's called Boundless. As you can see, very nice and clean. There's a Brooklyn theme, also very clean and minimal. This is the Venture theme, also clean, uncluttered. Debut looks more like a blog than it does a store. Debut, also quite nice and uncluttered, very clean design. Narrative, and we're back to the beginning. So obviously Shopify has more advanced themes that you can go and have a look at. Let's quickly do that. As you can see, there's a few more. Let's go have a look at the theme store. Obviously themes are not cheap, but if you want a very professional looking store, then this is the way to go. But if you're just starting out, I would suggest you start with a free theme, and then as you make sales, you can upgrade to a paid one. We're just going to flip through the ones in the slider above so that you get to see more of their themes. As you can see, they're all very minimalist, very clean designs, clean lines, which makes for a better user experience. You get to choose quite a few, and you also always get to see what's trending. If you're just doing a site to recommend products, then the themes in the top row here will be a good choice for you. If you have a lot of stuff to sell, then the themes in this row will be a good fit. You can also choose themes by your industry. Choose one that's applicable to you and get your business started. If you're looking for a specific type of layout, they've got themes for that too. If you've only got a few products, here's a good set of themes for you to choose from. If you just want to create a store with huge images, then these in this row will be a good fit. Minimalist. If you're looking for something fun and lively, these are good. Or if you want to create your own theme, you can work with Shopify and create your own style theme. You can always get in touch with their designers. They'll be more than happy to work with you. If you like this kind of content, then please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment in the comment box below. If you have any questions, drop me a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.